Cute, cute pup. So these three super cutie blacky dogs are from the same litter. And here, the green color that's slightly bigger. This is Shiva. Hello boy, and all three boys. And the smaller green color, this is Sultan. Hello boy. And this is Soren. These three boys. Good sit, Seba. They're absolutely wonderful with all dogs, big and small. There's a little girl here, Bali. All sleeping now. How come you're not sleeping, Seba? Hi, little Bali. It's very cold. They're sleeping already. So we're gonna make some more videos of them soon. They love dogs, any dogs. They're in the foster home with over 50 dogs. Young and senior dogs, little and small. Good boy. You want to kiss? That's a wonderful boy. Your brothers are all sleeping. You should go to bed too. Good boy.